my YouTube today. If you are here today, it's because you are gearing up to do the Daniel fast. And I'm really excited to share my journey along the way of doing it. And I'm just hoping that this blesses you, makes it easier for you, and takes a little bit of the work and stress off your plate. Today is day 2 for me, and I am just like thrilled. There are no words to how happy I am for how good I'm feeling. This is my 5th year doing it, you guys, and every year I feel like death, literally. It's tough. And if you are at that point, just do your best to push through it. It is hard the first few days, but you can get through it. My biggest tip for feeling good on day 1 and day 2 is to start ahead of time a little bit. Whether it's like cutting a few things out, a couple days, a week ahead of time, whatever. Just try not to go cold turkey. I think that's what I've done in the past, and it's rough. It's tough. Anyways, I'm going to show you guys what I'm eating today. I try to keep it very simple when I do the Daniel fast. Okay, so I am doing a modified version of the Daniel fast. Normally, when you do the Daniel fast, it is vegan. So that means no meat, no dairy, no animal products at all, no sugar, and no caffeine. So for me, doing a modified version, I'm definitely doing the vegan thing. I'm definitely doing no sugar, but I am having caffeine. I did caffeine last year as well, which is why it really surprised me I got so sick. But I decided again this year, I'm adding caffeine back into it. It's just too much to get rid of it, especially with being a mom with 3 kids and running them around. I can really not afford to feel like death. So anyways, I am going to have a little caffeine each day. So I just wanted to preface that because I have gotten a lot of messages in the past on some of my old Daniel fast videos of people being like, you're not supposed to do that. And I'm like, I know. Like I told you in the beginning, I was doing a modified version. So I'm just warning you. Modified version. So with that, I feel like, you do you. You pray about it. You talk to God about it. And as long as you and him are in good communication, I feel like to me that is the heart and the purpose of a fast. It is an experience and moments between you and God. That's it. None of this, just that. So anyways, I wanted to get that off my chest right there. So let's go ahead and dive into the food that I'm going to eat today. And just so you know, I'm going to have everything listed in the description box down below. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to ask, and I do my best to get back as quick as I can. And yeah, let's go ahead and dive in. Day. I hope that this helps you on your Daniel fast journey. Don't forget, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out and ask me. And like I said, I'm going to have everything listed in the description box down below. I'm going to check back later and keep you guys posted on some great meals and things you guys can eat when you do the Daniel fast. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Be blessed with the rest of your day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.